Namaskar. I'm Nikhil Kumar, CEO of Delhi Jal Board. As you know, Delhi Jal Board is mandated with the provision of quality water services and disposal of sewerage for the national capital of Delhi. Delhi, as we know, is the national capital, and we have more than 20 million people presently staying in Delhi, the number that is ever increasing. With the increase in population, there is an increased stress on the basic services of water and sanitation. And in this regard, there is a huge demand-supply gap in Delhi, which is more than 200 mgd. Now, Delhi is very unique in terms of its water resources. First and foremost, we are dependent heavily on the river Yamuna. That is our major source of surface raw water. And the allocations to Delhi are fixed and is guided by the interstate water agreements. The small geographical area of Delhi also has problems because it restricts our access to the groundwater resources that we have. And as it is, many districts in Delhi are overexploited in terms of groundwater and they are water stressed. So in such a scenario, it is the responsibility of all the citizens of Delhi to join hands and ensure that water security in the national capital is ensured. One of the easiest, the most cost-effective and the best way of conserving water is catching the rain. Basically, if we are able to catch each and every drop of rainwater that falls in the city of Delhi through the installation of rainwater harvesting structures, that can go a very long way in augmenting the water resources that are available, in recharging the natural aquifers, in improving the groundwater levels and the overall water security for the city of Delhi. Delhi Jal Board has always been very proactive in promoting rainwater harvesting in the city. As you know, as per law, any building or any structure above 100 square meters is mandated to install a rainwater harvesting structure. Now, in this regard, Delhi Jal Board has come forward with a scheme where we are requesting the citizens to install rainwater harvesting structures, and we offer 50% subsidy on the capital cost or 50,000 rupees, whichever is less, as incentive for installing rainwater harvesting. We also have a 10% rebate on the overall monthly water bill for the successful installation of a rainwater harvesting structure in a house. Now, basically, we have also set up rain centers in all the 11 districts of Delhi with the headquarters at Varunala, that is DJB headquarters, that is called the Rainwater Harvesting Cell. The basic purpose is to give information, give awareness and handhold anybody who is interested in the installation of rainwater harvesting structures. We send our technicians, they inspect the premises, and then we have a panel of service providers also who then take up the work of the installation on behalf of the party concerned at their convenience, and we offer the amount of subsidy whichever is due. It is my very earnest clarion call to all the noble citizens of Delhi to join hands with Delhi Jal Board, the Government of NCT of Delhi, National Water Mission and the Ministry of Jal Shakti in this very noble initiative of Jal Board and of the National Water Mission, which is called Catch the Rain, Where It Falls, When It Falls. Install rainwater harvesting structures to the extent possible, and in this ensuing monsoon season, let us ensure that each and every drop that is falling in Delhi is captured through the rainwater harvesting, which goes to augmenting our groundwater resources. Please remember, water is precious, every drop counts. Kindly reduce, reuse and conserve water to the extent possible and catch the rain. Thank you.